Namaskar dosto. Today is 7th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, disclose my learning and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade plan and trading idea for the next trading session. So Nifty now is at very precarious situation. Um, I felt on Friday that Nifty doesn't have a sufficient power to cross 15,000. We had a very choppy session with a big red bar and a big green bar. I had a negative day. I did lots of multiple trade. Fundamentally, the mistake which I made was I did not follow my trade plan. My trade plan was to buy on dip at 14,837. Nifty never came to that level, and I entered in Nifty on this green bar, exited on this red bar, and I had almost around 30 trades which moved on. Eventually, I entered into PE position in Nifty on this particular red bar, covered up my losses. Then I became greedy, and I again continued with a few lots of PE, and eventually exited on this green bar and carried some position home. So that's what I did on Nifty. I did not take any trade on Bank Nifty on Friday. But what I felt on Friday was purely that bulls are somewhere becoming weak and they are not able to cross 15,000. So that feeling was the first time what I felt on the entire week. Now, let's see what we have in store for Nifty in the next week. If you want to know about my MTM position, then I will disclose my entire weekly MTM position at the end of the video. So please be with me till that point. Now, for a weekly basis, when we look into Nifty, we had a very strong budget rally. Nifty closed above 8, above 20, above 50, above 200 and touch all-time high of 15008. So on weekly basis, Nifty is definitely in uptrend, but definitely overstretched because currently the 200-day moving average is at 10942 and we are somewhere close to 14924. So that is an important phenomena to remember. Now, on weekly basis, if you look, we have a weekly range for a Nifty. Our weekly pivot is at 14534. Weekly H3 is 14296. H4 is 15668. And then lower side, we have a support at 14552 and 14180. So 14,550 now is a very strong support for a Nifty. So 14,550 is now a critical level for a Nifty. Now on daily basis, if you see, after 4 days of strong rally, we had one negative day. Uh, it has closed about 28 and all above moving average. So here also on daily basis, the trend is upside, but we have seen the first negative bar at the top of the hill. Now on 15-minute chart is where we start getting a clear picture. So in 15-minute chart, we see that market has closed below 20 and below 8-day moving average and just above 50-day moving average. So here definitely market is in downtrend. So I'm expecting Nifty to come back to from overstretched condition to come back to some normal condition. Means move. Yeah, it's very overstretched. So I'm expecting Nifty that it will correct in coming week in the range of 14,552. Now there is a dollar. If you look into it, dollar has started going down. So this is a very good news for a emerging market. If you look into our SGX, SGX currently is at 14,997 and all the global markets are almost flat. There are news of stimulus which is coming out in US, so that could be also a good news. So market currently is looking very uh, I would say online, where on Monday, if market close 15008 and moves up, then it is a good buying opportunity for a target of for 15,300. But that is a unlikely scenario. That's what I feel. If market is opening up here and not able to cross 15008, then H3 for market is 14966, where currently the SGX Nifty is. H4 is 15,000. So this is the area where I look forward to short Nifty for this week target of 14,500. So that's my trade plan for Nifty tomorrow. Look for a price action in the first 15 minutes. If market is reversing from 15,008 or in this zone, then go for a short. I would prefer that as a trade plan. So sell on rise in the range of 14965 and 15007. And if 15007 is broken because of any reason, then you may go long. Now Bank Nifty again on weekly basis. If we look, it had a very strong week, very long, very big week. That's a famously known as a Nirmala candle. So if you see, uh, Bank Nifty has closed above 8, above 20, above 200. So on weekly basis, definitely uptrend, but overstretch. On daily basis, after it is still showing all the green candles, this particular green candle, that is a last Friday green candle, is a bearish candle. So market tried to move up and all the bear pull it down, but not sufficient enough to make it green, red. But this is where the weakness was seen. Reliance is also not going above 1940 level. So these are the points which we have to consider. So on daily basis, although market is in uptrend but overstretch with a sign of weakness. On 15-minute chart, market has closed below 20 and just above 8. So here also kind of downtrend. So I will go for Bank Nifty sell on rise in the zone of 35,968 and 36,289. So for weekly basis, our Bank Nifty levels are 37,233 and 38,800, which is H3 and H4 and H3. Pivot for Bank Nifty on weekly basis is 34,416, and support for Bank Nifty is at 34,099 and 35,532. So 35,500 is looks like a very strong support for a Bank Nifty. So that's the plan for Bank Nifty and the levels for the week. Idea is to sell on rise in H4 and H3 level of 35,971 and 36,274. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading ideas and trade setup. If yes, then it's a token of appreciation. Please like, share, and subscribe to my TradingView channel as well as on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. Now, time for a weekly wrap on my MTM. So, I out of 5 days, I had a good 4 days and one bad day. Very bad trade management. So overall, I made a very small money, but good money. So money is always good. 20,000 rupees. Idea here is preserve the capital. Lalaji will make money for us. I hope this discussion has added value to your trade setup and trading idea. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.